update. So first we got this one, which is purple. It's purple pig, so it's nice purple, I think. What's actually purple dog, sorry. Then we have this dude here. Stretchy. And look. So yeah. And then we go to my infinity cube, sorry. It's weighted, and don't ask where I got this from because I don't know, because I got this from a friend. And it's like cotton candy weighted fidget cube. I don't like the ones which are white. So yeah. My favorite slime. And look, it stretches so far. Oh my gosh, it's going out the cam, one sec. Okay, so look how far it stretches. Oh, it stretches really far. And listen. It's farting. It says, oops. It's just yuck. Well, my parents think it's yuck, but I think it's fun. Obviously, because I am a kid. Now we just got the clay, which I'm not going to show you, but it's just clay. I really like this. I'm growing my Fidget collection. I do have puppets, but I think they're at my nan's or something. And yeah. So that's the Fidget I put out palette up. Now we're just gonna play with them. And I've got a story time, so I'm gonna grab my slime to do story time. So today I went out shopping. And then I went to go get a squishmallow, which I did get, but I left it in my dad's car. So yeah. And then it was so the squishmallow is so cringe. I can't go get it because my dad's not here. Yeah. And look, I heard none of my brothers come in the door. I can't see you. If I can't see you, you can't see me. Now I can see you, so you can see me. Oh, wait, could you actually see me? I don't know. I'm gonna have to rewatch the video, but I can't right now. Oops, sorry, that was it hit the button. So, yeah. Like and subscribe, please, I'm begging you. And yeah. I just like listening to this. I'm going to put it on the speaker, so I'm going to have to see those.